Ready? Okay, here we go. This is from Grandma Colson. Open it up.
The box is singing.
Where is that?
I don't know. Open it up.
Oh no! That's a new one.
What is it?
A toy.
What toy?
Is it for you?
Okay, stay right there. Stay right there. Show it to me. Put it on your lap. Let me see your face. Let me see its face. What do you need to say? Do you need to say thank you, Grandma Colson?
Thank you, Grandma Colson.
And Papa Colson?
Papa Colson.
No, say thank you, Papa Colson.
Thank you, Papa Colson.
Can you blow him a kiss? Yes, I will show you the video. Can you say love you? Oh, that was a nice kiss.
Love you.
Thank you again for my toy.